how to create your Google site listing. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your small business's Google listing. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to hop onto google.com/business, or you can just Google my business Google, and the first result is going to be this. So as you can see, this is your chance to create your Google listing. Now, what's your Google listing? You can see over here, whenever you search a location or a spot, there is a listing on Google for that business, and that is a Google listing. Now, it's very, very important as a small business that you create your Google listing, because nowadays it's very essential to have your online presence. And if you're not on Google, do you even exist? So you're gonna click on Manage Now, and then you're going to type in your business name. And you need to be really wary about this, because there might even be false listings for your business on Google that other people have created and that you have no access to, and they might, ruin the reputation of your business. So you want to make sure that you're the first one to create your business. So as soon as you start making products, offering your services, make your Google listing. It's very easy and it takes less than 10 minutes. So what you're going to do is enter your business name. So for example, I am doing dry cleaning and I'm just going to create this business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the business category. So I'm a dry cleaner, and then I'm going to click on next. Now you can add a physical location if you have a store or a location, but if you're running a totally online business, you can also skip that, but we're going to add a location now. We're going to click on next, and now you're going to type in your address. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now, once you add your business location, Google might even tell you if any of these are your businesses, if they have, similar names to yours. But you're going to click on none of these because you're creating your first organic listing. And now you're going to place where your business is located. So you're just going to move this red cursor to wherever your business location is. You're just going to zoom in and then just add it over here. And then you're going to click on next. Now you can also add if you actually provide delivery only, or if you are a store that can be contacted directly via going to the store. So we're going to click on yes, because yes, you can visit us at our office. And now you can select the areas that you serve. So let's say we're serving this city, and then you can add more. So let's just say we also serve here. And you're going to click on next. Now you can add the contact details that you have. So if you have a website already, you can do that, but you can also create a free website based on your info that you enter over here. So let's just say that you don't have a website. You can just create it using Google My Business, and I'm going to show you guys that too in a second. So I'm just going to click on this because we're going to create our own website. Now we're going to click on next. Now, once you have added your contact details, Google is going to tell you a way to verify. So you're going to get a postcard in the mail, and usually it takes around a week, or depending on where you live, 1 to 3 weeks to arrive. And you're going to add your contact name and obviously the address of your business, and it's going to arrive over there. And that is going to have a small code that you're going to put into your Google My Business just to verify that actually there is a business that is being run over here and you're not just creating, false listings. And now you're going to click on continue, and now you're going to add your services. So what do you provide? So let's just say you're going to add custom services. So car deep cleaning. So you're going to add everything your business does, because that is very important. So if someone searches maybe car deep cleaning, my dry cleaner business will show up, even though it's not specifically a car cleaning business. And that is why adding your services is so important. So we're going to add everything we can think of. And for you guys, you definitely need to add more services. I'm just showing this as a sample. That's why I just skipped ahead, because I want you guys to learn how to get started in under 10 minutes so you don't waste any of your time. Now you're going to add your business hours. So if we're open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you're going to add your timing. So we are going to be open 24 hours and we're going to be closed on the weekend. And now you can accept messaging or keep it off so people can contact you via Google. So when you see a website listing on Google and it just says message now, so that's gonna be this, and you're gonna have to reply to these messages yourself. So be sure to actually think about it if you want to keep on replying to Google messages. We're gonna accept messages. And now you can add your business description. Over here, you can add photos of your business. I would recommend that you make sure to do this because it's very important that you have some kind of sample photos. So do that. Make sure you do that for your business. I'm going to skip ahead. We're going to skip our free advertising credit and we're going to click on continue. And now over here, you can see this is your homepage on Google My Business. This is your total insight. You can, on the left, you have your posts, info, insights, reviews, messages, photos, services, website, and on your services, so make sure to add more. Now below that you have your website, and it's very easy to create your site using Google My Business. You just click on this website. Based on the information that you previously provided to Google, they're gonna create a sample website for you, and then you're just gonna click on theme. Let's just choose this one. We're going to click on edit, and you can just add some of your headers or description. So let's just say the best and most reliable cleaning service in this city. So once I have typed in this text, you can see over here it's appearing on my description, just below my header photo. And I'm going to save this. And just like that, we have added a description. Now, going back to edit, you can also change these images. So I think this is actually a decent image that Google has picked. It's pretty accurate to the business I'm going to run. And over here, you can also add more images. To add those, you're just going to click on add images. You're going to click on select photos from your computer. And then you're going to add whatever photos that you might have decided to add to your business. I'm just going to add this random image, even though it doesn't go well with this website, just to show you guys how it works. Now I have added this image of this chef, and you can see below that is the map and the contact information and the address. So once you have designed it to your liking, you're just going to click on this more button, and then you're going to click on publish now, and that's it. Your site is ready. So that's how easy it is to create your Google listing as well as your website. You have done two things in under 10 minutes, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you guys are now able to set up your business on Google and create a free website with free hosting and free web domain. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and make sure to add your services. I cannot emphasize this enough. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.